Hey, hi everyone. My name is Ravindra and I am a solution architect. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Creating content required lots of efforts like researching on that topic, scripting, then editing, and then publishing, sharing with others. Your each comment, your like, your valuable feedback, you liking this video or not, what improvement I have to do, that all means a lot to me. So please do subscribe to channel and please provide your feedback. In this video, we will see how to get community top voice badge on LinkedIn in 3 steps only. Let's see. Friends, you can see we are in LinkedIn homepage. You can open this in mobile or laptop version. The steps are similar. Okay. So you can go to the your notifications. Okay. Let's I showcase you how I got this. Okay. So in notification, I receive one of the notification. You are one of few expert invite to answer. Your team is facing a communication breakdown. How do you navigate conflict when one member stays silent? Okay. So I simply go here, okay, and contribute on this article. You can be see some of others also contributed. I also contributed, okay, and I'm in the top 2% of quality contributors, okay, and I'm getting this badge, okay. So what you have to do, you have to go to any articles, okay. In this section you can be say I'm in communication, okay. So you can go to any article. Simply you have to go click on the point and start to contribute simply, okay. Like here I start to contribute, okay, already contributed, okay. Just you have to type here, okay. So you can be see view the contribution. So I just given this contribution, you can be see in this way. Yeah. So once you are comes in the top 3% or 5%, okay, you will get this badge on the LinkedIn. Okay. There is a no extra efforts you have to put. You have to just go to any article, just write your contribution there. Okay. At 12 o'clock at night, your update you will receive, okay, and your percentage also you can be see on how much percent you are contributed, okay, and first 5% voice, okay, they will get this badge, okay. So this is simply you have to follow this step to get this badge, okay. So if I go to my LinkedIn, okay, on my LinkedIn homepage. Okay, let's I go. So you can be see this badge got here. Okay, so simply just contributing to articles. Okay, you will get this communication badge or the any badge. Okay, that's all, friends. In the these simply steps, you can be get this badge. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day. Keep learning, keep growing, keep exploring.